Tay? I'll try.
So we're going to go.
Do you have the choice?
Well done. Good luck, Joe. Good luck, Kay. Oh, yeah.
Best I've seen.
Yeah. Got her back. It's just a bit. She'd never have done that. I've been a universal and she just got flat.
And it's on your feet. I think it's on your feet and it goes to too much.
Oh yeah, I give her top spec palm. Not top palm, top spec.
Come on, land, land.
I'm taking it back to you, just looking there, happy with it.
It's like farming condition, so it's harsh, but that condition gives them something nice and look and feel good.
She was feeling very well. Yeah. She's a happy to come for that.